Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to the fifth session of the online tutorial. How are you today? I hope God always blessing us. This week, you are going to learn about two letters. First, letter of request, and second, letters of appreciations. In letter of request, you will learn to write how to respond of request letter and complaint letter. The letter consists of three items. They are opening sentence, contents, and closing. The second letter is letter of appreciation. You will learn about how to write polite language. You can find this material in Module 5 and Module 6. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kind of letters of request and write thank you emails accurately and appropriately. Please study the materials and enrichments link below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 5 and do the assignment 2. That's all students. Good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.